Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you that amazing creation of bottle craft, bottle recycling with jute rope. So here's the season where we want to create something new, something unique like that. As well, in this video we are trying to give the amazing crafting ideas, amazing decoration ideas. I really like that. These are amazing and very creative, very unique. So hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. We really want to show you world's best ideas and best crafting ideas, recycling ideas, designs. So in this video we really talk about something we have to do so much things for our planet, upcoming generation, and many more. Because one time you throw away the bottle and you don't know where it gone. It stayed in ocean hundred of years and you don't know where's the recycle projects, and it is harm for wildlife. But as a crafter you see that bottle, either it's plastic or glass. If you watch that, you imagine is for you, it's a blank canvas. It's a blank canvas for crafters, and you can do it with many types of things. Like you can do many things like that. You can do recycle it. You can make it with make with it pen holder, pencil holder, lantern. You can put fairy lights and make a lantern, beautiful lantern. Paint them and make a beautiful enhanced creations. So these sustainable ideas are available here, and you can make many types of things like that. You can add jute rope on your bottles and paint them together and make a table holder, three bottles if you make different types and add something similarity like this, and as you shown in this picture. So you can make centerpiece, center table decor idea. You can get many ideas from this video. This video are very useful for every crafters who wants to make something new and different. So here's the solution. Here's a very beautiful and amazing creation. So what do you think about? It's a beautiful pencil holder, pen holder. It's a beautiful and amazing creation. And you can add some jute rope. You can add some cherries, like artificial cherries. You can add some grass, artificial grass, and make something new and beautiful. It's an amazing and beautiful creation, and you can add this on your crafting creativity, because every crafter, every art tells a story how made it, And you can grow your business as well, because this is the season and you can earn, make some asset in this season, because your art